Hello my friends, today I want to show you how to make this money star. Let's go! We need $6 bills. Fold the upper left corner down. Unfold. Fold the bottom left corner up. Unfold. Fold this side as I'm showing. Fold the upper right edge to this line. Unfold. Repeat this step on the opposite edge. Fold the corner using the crease. Rotate and fold the excess part down. Fold the corners up. Hide this part inside. Fold both corners together. The module is completed. Make 6 modules. Connect them together. The star is completed. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!